All right. All right. Hello, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Um, Sorry, my voice is a bit croaky today. I've got a bit of a flu going on. I do apologize for that if you're watching. Um, Today, I've just analyzed the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I did this a few days ago. It's on a video. So, so all it is, so there's you can see here the formation of an harmonic pattern, which I've just drawn here. Hopefully you can see, I'm sure you can see it anyway. And I entered this trade at the price of 95.249. This is a few days ago, and the price is now 94.851. This is approximately, I think, 30 pips, if I'm not mistaken. So price has hit my first profit target, which is right here, 0.832. I might take some profit now, just so I don't lose it all. But my final target is at this price here, 94.595. So I'm just showing you, I'm not, as I said, well, as I've always said, I'm not a professional trader. I'm just trading them based on what I've learned from other people on the internet and things like that, and what I've learned by myself, but from reading and mostly watching YouTube videos. And I've analyzed this pair accordingly. And so far, I've made 30 pips. Now, it's not the gain of the century. It's not. I'm not Wolf of Wall Street or anything like that. But this is just my own attempt at trading forex, based on what I've learned. So hopefully, you find this um, video useful to yourselves. I'm not giving any financial advice. This is, as I said, this is just an experiment on my own. I'm just trying to explain to you what I've done. Hopefully, I've made sense if you're watching my video. But you can see that I am clearly in profit. It's not. This is a really small account. It's not a massive account, and I'm sure you know there are people who earn millions and will probably laugh at me because this is chicken change. But hey, this is what I do. So hopefully you benefit from um, what I've done here, and hopefully you appreciate, like, and subscribe my content. But I'll carry on doing this regardless. This is for me and for anybody else out there who might benefit from it, just as I benefited from other people's video. So if you're out there, thanks for watching. If you're watching now, if you're going to be watching in future, I want to thank you in advance, and I wanted to thank you for subscribing in advance as well. Again, this is no financial advice. This is just my analysis of this pair. So for educational purposes only, all that yada yada yada. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hope to catch you soon. Hi there, YouTube, once again. If you're watching, I've just spotted this bat pattern here on the 30 minutes USD CAD pair. Let's see if I can show it to you again. So I'll delete all of this. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. So if I measure X2A finishes, so the B point finishes right here at 0.5 on Fibonacci retracement. Please be reminded this is a live trade, so it's not a recording. I'm trading this live, so the result that you see here is exactly what's happening. So I don't have the benefit of a hindsight. This is a live recording. So you can see here, so it's X2A retracement gives us our B. At this point, B finishes at 0.5%. Now, for a bat pattern to be complete, your potential reversal zone is around 0.886 on Fibonacci retracement. Now, so if I draw it through for you, so X to A to B, so that's it's exactly 0.5 on Fibonacci retracement, and it should complete here. You can see price has exceeded 0.886 on the Fibonacci retracement levels, so which means that this pattern in itself may not be fully valid. However, I'll wait for this candle to finish, wait for the next 30 minutes and see whether or not this gives us a positive indication to go short on this particular pair. I am inclined to go short as well, mainly because you can see when price hit this area here, it went straight down. Now price has come up here with a full force, and it's a bit slow on this side, I would say. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm hoping that when price gets to this section here, it will come right back down. However, that's a wait and see question. So if for any reason price goes above here, above 0.886 on Fibonacci retracement, I would look to put my stop loss at this point here. However, if price then goes all the way, because this can happen in two ways. You can have like an extension pattern. What am I looking for? So you could have an extension pattern where your B point is still at 50%, which is right there, where your D point, your potential reversal zone, finishes up here. So that's a completely different pattern. So that's entirely possible. So it looks like price is on the momentum here, and it's likely to carry on going upwards if this area here does not cause us any issue. So this area here might be an area of resistance, so I'll watch out for that. If price exceeds this area here, I would look to put my entries right here, take my entries right here. But then that's just a wait and see, just to wait and see what's happening. Let me go back to my live trade. I think it's this one here. So we're still in profit. Price has hit my first profit target. So if I label it first profit target, which is right here, first profit. So price has hit my first profit target, and it's exceeded it slightly. So I'll look to take my next profit right here. Potentially I could take profit now, so let me lock in my profit, because this can turn against me it can turn against me anytime. So I'll try and lock it in so that we just I don't lose everything. So it's always hard to pinpoint where exactly to put it. But maybe I'll give it a bit more room to breathe, because I have a feeling that this could go further down. I'll give it a bit more room to breathe. Just remember, this is a live trade, so this is not a recording of this is an actual trade that I'm in right now. So today is the 26th of August, and time now is 17:06. So 6 minutes past 5 London time. So I'm recording this live, and the profit you can see here is live. Granted, it's a small amount of money. That's probably someone's lunch or someone's dinner, whatever you want to call it. It's a small amount of money, but then again, it is still it's a real live trade with a positive outcome. I know that trading can have a negative outcome any time of the day, but as of now, this is a positive outcome based on the analysis that I've made, and I'm happy with that. So please like and subscribe for more. As I said, this is no financial advice. This is for educational purposes only and for entertainment purposes only. But if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. And if you get any benefit from it, please leave a note in the comment just to say, hey, I enjoy what you're doing. I agree with what you're doing. Or you can also give me a negative comment as well if you wish. It doesn't bother me. But yeah, if you're watching and you're getting benefit from this, please like and subscribe. And then we can all sort of learn together. My intention is to grow this channel. I know YouTube is there's a lot of competition out there, and I'm sure there's lots of people out there with better videos than this one, but we can grow the channel together, and hopefully there'll be someone out there that agrees with me, that can share this journey with me as well, so we can learn together and grow together as far as Forex is concerned. But yeah, so still in profit. Still in profit, so yeah, I'm happy with that for the time being. But yeah, let me know if you like what you're seeing. Leave me a comment, or don't. But yeah, let's have a look. So give me a thumbs up if you think I should get out of this trade now before it goes against me, because I always have this thing where I get out of trades too soon, and when I could have made a bit more money. But yeah, just let me know in the comments if you think I should hold on to this trade or try and get out of it now. Yeah, I've got one like, so yeah, I've got one like, so yeah, I've got one like, so yeah, By the way, that one like was me, so I have to like myself if nobody does. Yeah. What's the time now? The time is just 10 past. Let me change this to 15 minutes. See what's happening in 15 minutes. chat. I think we've got quite a bit to go with this. I'm guessing it will be an equal measured move. So not in the sense of, this is what I mean, from this bar to this bar, it's exactly the same as this. And it's almost exactly the same as this. So I believe this next bar will be this long. That's what I think, but I could be wrong. And that brings it down to my second profit target. But we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to play some background music now. This is a free LOFI, so a song that I found on YouTube, or well, I didn't find online. The owner just says you just need to reference the owner before you use it. Unfortunately, I can't remember what their names are, but see if I can find it. Where is it? I can't find the music anymore. Where is it? Yeah, here you go. This one here. I'll open this. Take the profit close to there. Whatever happens now, I've taken some profit, so I'm happy with that. So if the market goes against me now, I'm not at a complete loss. So yeah. On my trading view, on this particular trade, I've had 143 views. If only I could transfer that to YouTube, that would be great. This is my previous trade idea, about 208 views in there. Again, it would be nice if I could transfer this number of views to my YouTube channel. But hey, it's not the end of the world. one of my trades previously. So that sort of reached my intended, well, not fully, but at least it made it almost through. So actually, now that I've taken some profit off there, if we can just look at the USD CAD I was looking at earlier on, I think there was so let me go to 30 minutes time frame. So I believe this would be a failed back pattern. The reason I'm saying that, normally with back pattern or with any harmonic pattern, once you get to your potential reversal zone, there's always, well, not always, most of the time, there is an indication of what's likely to happen. So you get like a short bar, like a negative doji bar, or something to give you like a red signal bar here, something to give you an indication that price is about to change. On the 30 minutes time, on the 30 minutes chart, there is no indication of that. You can see that these are all green bars. So I'm thinking based on this that price will continue to go up all the way to this section here to complete this pattern, but I could be wrong. But having said that, harmonic patterns aside, if I go to maybe an hour time frame, you can see here that when price hit this area, it had a complete reaction to it. So price might hit this section and go right back down, very similar to this. Price may, so I'm guessing that could happen. So how many times have price been in that area and I've gone down? Because there's not a lot of time that price have done it. So if you look at here, because the market doesn't always repeat itself. If I show you this area here, let's see, this area here, let me move this. Hopefully you can all see it. This area here. Okay, make a note of that. Just have a mental sort of picture of this area here. You can see it's almost similar to this. Almost. I'm not saying it is. It's almost similar in nature. It's a shame I can't. So let me draw it out, and then you see. Hopefully you can see what I'm trying to say to you. So price come down here. It's gone up. It's come down. Gone up. Come down. It's gone up. And then maybe come down. So let me. If I move this, actually, I'm trying something new here, just to show you an example. It's too big. Trying to show you that there is a possible similarity between these two. You can see there's a lot of similarity between those two segments, because market also repeats itself. Why does it repeat itself? Because it's the same players in the market every day, and people behave the same way. it's all the same sort of herd mentality. So I believe price will reach that area and come down. So I'm not in this trade yet, but that's just that's one of my thinkings. That's what I think might happen. Let me see if there's any other. Let's try this. I wouldn't necessarily trade this as a 1 hour time frame. 15 minutes. Would you say this is a head and shoulder pattern? Would you see that as a head and shoulder pattern? Would you say? I don't know. Leave a link below or leave a comment below just to say yes, head and shoulder, or no, it's not a head and shoulder. But if it's a head and shoulder, it's a massive gain. Can you imagine? It's a massive gain if it's a head and shoulder. That's a 15 minutes. Let's go 1 hour. If it's a head and shoulder, it's a massive gain. But I'm not trading that. I'm just sharing my thoughts with you. That's all. I'm not trading. Let's go back down to 15 minutes time frame. I wouldn't trade this, but however, if I wanted to trade this, I'll trade this on the downward movement. Trade it to here because well, it seems to me that there's a lot of resistance around that area. So if I had to trade this, I'll trade it short and maybe take my profit here. That's what I think, because it seems to most of the resistance around here. Let's see. That's still going down. Price is right here now. So hopefully we'll get to the desired level, hopefully. Hi there once more. I'm back again. I think the momentum for this is sort of dying to the downside. I've further moved my stop loss further down as well. So if this starts to go against me, at least I'm covered. I'm in a free trade now. So I'm happy with that. I've secured at least more than 50% of my initial profit. So that's not going anywhere. So I'm going to sort of close this trade now, or stop my filming rather. But you'll get the gist, you get the idea of where I'm coming from, hopefully. And if you're watching this today, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're going to be watching in the future, please also don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next trade. Goodbye and God bless. Bye-bye.